We have an interesting case that just occurred last week. We have a patient who has advanced Alzheimer's type dementia. She's been in a clinical trial for a novel agent, but one of the requirements of that trial is that we have to get MR with some quantitative morphometry in order to follow. And previously we had tried numerous times in putting her into the old generation magnet. She's not a candidate for the open technology and could not tolerate it. In fact, on multiple occasions nearly crawled out of the old generation magnet because she just became too claustrophobic and too anxious. And I saw her last week. We have the new Fujifilm Synergy system installed. I said, let's just give it one more try, see whether or not we can get this done. She sat through the entire study without moving. We got beautiful pictures, and when they brought her out of the magnet, she was completely calm and enjoyed the experience. The family was so grateful that we had this technology installed. We're grateful, and the company running the clinical trial is grateful that they can actually get usable data to determine whether or not their pharmacologic agent is effective.